Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, your trusted source for innovative ideas in agriculture and agribusiness. Today, we'll be diving into the world of chamomile, a versatile, high-demand crop that offers multiple opportunities for agripreneurs. Chamomile is renowned for its calming properties, medicinal uses, and its place in a rapidly growing wellness market. If you're looking to build a profitable agribusiness, then these 5 high-demand chamomile ideas are exactly what you need to get started. Let's begin by understanding why chamomile is such a valuable crop. Chamomile, particularly the varieties Matricaria, chamomilla, and chamomile nobile, is celebrated for its gentle, soothing effects. Its flowers are packed with antioxidants and essential oils, making it a sought-after ingredient in teas, cosmetics, natural remedies, and even pet products. As people become more health-conscious, demand for natural and organic products is skyrocketing, and chamomile is at the heart of many of these trends. Now let's explore 5 high-demand chamomile agribusiness ideas that you can launch today. First on our list is chamomile tea production and packaging. Chamomile tea is one of the most popular herbal teas worldwide, valued for its relaxing qualities and gentle flavor. The process starts with cultivating healthy chamomile plants, harvesting the delicate flowers at their peak, and drying them carefully to preserve their essential oils. With proper packaging, such as eco-friendly tea bags, attractive tins, or even loose-leaf options, you can appeal to both health enthusiasts and casual tea drinkers. To stand out in the market, consider offering organic certification, unique blends with other herbs, or single origin labeling. By leveraging online marketplaces, local stores, and wellness shops, you can build a loyal customer base. Remember, SEO-friendly keywords like organic chamomile tea, herbal sleep aid, or natural stress relief can help your products rank higher on online searches, bringing more customers to your business. The second idea is chamomile essential oil extraction. Chamomile essential oil is a premium product used in aromatherapy, skincare, and holistic health. Extracting oil from chamomile flowers requires specialized equipment, but the investment can be rewarding. High-quality chamomile oil is prized for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and calming effects. To tap into this market, focus on purity, traceability, and sustainability. Offering small-batch, artisanal oils can attract wellness practitioners, spas, and natural cosmetics brands. SEO optimization comes into play here as well. Use keywords like pure chamomile essential oil, calming aromatherapy oil, or organic skincare ingredient in your product descriptions and blog content to reach a wider audience. Our third high-demand agribusiness idea is chamomile skincare products. The beauty and skincare industry is booming, and chamomile's gentle, soothing properties make it a favorite ingredient. You can develop a range of products such as chamomile-infused creams, lotions, soaps, face masks, and serums. These products appeal to people with sensitive skin, eczema, or those seeking natural alternatives to chemical-laden cosmetics. Partnering with local cosmetic formulators or learning to create your own recipes can help you launch unique, high-value offerings. Highlighting benefits like anti-inflammatory, gentle for sensitive skin, and natural skincare in your online content and product packaging will help you rank well in Google searches and attract health-conscious buyers. The fourth idea is chamomile pet products. Pet owners are increasingly seeking natural remedies for their furry friends, and chamomile is known to help with anxiety, skin irritation, and digestive issues in animals. You can create chamomile-based pet supplements, calming sprays, grooming wipes, or herbal blends for pet teas. This niche market is growing rapidly, especially as more people adopt holistic health practices for their pets. To succeed, prioritize safe formulations, work with veterinarians, and highlight certifications or safety standards. Use SEO-friendly phrases like natural pet calming spray chamomile dog supplements, or organic pet skincare to make sure your products are easily found by pet owners searching for natural solutions online. Last but not least, let's talk about chamomile agro-tourism experiences. As more people seek authentic, hands-on connections with nature, agro-tourism is emerging as a lucrative field. You can open your chamomile farm to visitors for guided tours, educational workshops, pick your own flower events, and relaxation retreats. Teach guests how chamomile is grown, harvested, and processed, and invite them to participate in crafting their own chamomile tea, essential oil, or skincare products. Agro-tourism not only diversifies your income, but also builds brand loyalty and community engagement. Promote your experiences using keywords like chamomile farm tour, wellness retreat, or herbal workshop, and leverage social media and local tourism platforms to reach new audiences. So, how do you get started with any of these chamomile agribusiness ideas? First, research your local market and regulations. Make sure you understand the requirements for organic certification, food safety, and product labeling. Invest in high-quality chamomile seeds or seedlings, and choose a growing method that suits your climate, soil, and available resources. Sustainable, eco-friendly farming practices are not just good for the environment, they also appeal to modern consumers who value transparency and responsibility. Next, focus on building a strong brand identity. Whether you're selling tea, oils, skincare, pet products, or experiences, your brand should reflect quality, trust, and wellness. Invest in attractive, informative packaging and create a compelling online presence. Your website, social media, and online store should be optimized for search engines, using targeted keywords and engaging content to attract visitors and convert them into customers. Networking is also crucial. Attend local farmers markets, wellness fairs, and industry conferences to showcase your products. Learn from others and make valuable connections. Collaborate with wellness influencers, bloggers, and local businesses to expand your reach and credibility. Don't forget the importance of storytelling. Share your journey, your commitment to sustainability, and the benefits of chamomile with your audience. People love to know where their products come from and who is behind them. Authentic stories can set you apart from competitors and help you build a loyal customer base. Finally, keep learning and adapting. The agribusiness landscape is always changing, with new trends, technologies, and consumer preferences emerging. Stay informed through industry publications, online courses, and community groups. Experiment with new products, marketing strategies, and customer engagement tactics to keep your business fresh and competitive. Chamomile offers a world of possibilities for entrepreneurs who are passionate about wellness, sustainability, and innovation. Whether you choose to grow and package tea, extract essential oils, formulate skincare products, create natural pet remedies, or invite guests to experience your farm, the key to success is combining quality, creativity, and smart marketing. If you found these chamomile agribusiness ideas inspiring, don't forget to share this content with fellow entrepreneurs, subscribe for more smart agri tips, and leave your questions or experiences in the comments below. Remember, the future of agriculture is bright, and with chamomile, you can grow a business that helps people live better naturally. Thanks for joining us at Smart Agri Hub.